Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, Continuity and Differentiability, chapter number 5. So, what is continuity? Students, to know about the continuity, first of all, we have to know about the limits. What are limits? So, let us start the limit first. You have already studied about the limit in class 11th. Let us revise limits. The limit of the function fx as x tends to a is thought of as the value that fx should assume at x equal to a. It is denoted by limit x tends to a fx. We can read it limit of fx as x tends to a, or limit x tends to a fx. X can approach a in two ways, either from left or from right. Okay, students, this leads to two limits, left hand limit or right hand limit. What is left hand limit, student? The expected value of fx at x equal to a given by the values of fx at the points at the near left of a is called left hand limit of f at a, and it is denoted by limit x tends to a less than a fx. Right hand limit, the expected value of fx at x tends to a given the values of fx at the point at the near right of a is called right hand limit of f at a, and it is denoted by limit x tends to a plus fx. It is called right hand limit. You can easily understand by an example. Let us take one example. Consider the function fx equal to 2x minus 1. We are taking a function fx equal to 2x minus 1, and we have to check the value of fx when x is near to 2. Let x takes the values nearer and nearer to 2, either from the left side or from the right side. So now the function is, students, fx equals to 2x minus 1, and we are going to check the values of fx when x tends to 2. So let us take some values which are little bit less than 2. Okay, so less than 2, little bit less than 2, 1.9. When we put 1.9 here in fx, then 1.9 to the 3.8 minus 1, 2.8, student. Similarly, when we put 1.99, we get 2.98. When we put 1.999, 2.998. When we put 1.9999, we are getting 2.9998. So students, you can see all the values which have got by putting the value of x little bit less than 2, then the value is approximately equal to 3. correct? So we can write here limit x tends to 2 minus fx 3 equal to 3, means the value of x little bit less than 2, fx equal to 3. It is known as left hand limit, correct? Now students, let us increase little bit the value from 2. Now x we are going to take 2.1, then 2.01, 2.001, 2.0001. When we put 2.1 here, student, in fx, so we are getting here 4.2. 4.2 minus 1, 3.2. When we are putting 2.01, we are getting 3.02. When we put 2.001, we get 3.002. When we put 2.0001, then we get 3.0002. So you can see here the values of fx also approximately equal to 3. Okay students, so limit x tends to 2 plus means little bit more than 2, fx equals to 3. It is known as right hand limit. And students, if we put directly in the function 2, 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, 3. So all the cases, left hand limit, right hand limit, and accurate 2, the value of the function is 3. It means LHL equal to RHL equal to fx. All are equal here, student. So it is known as that function is continuous at x equal to 2. Okay students. So by the help of limit, we can easily find out the function is continuous at x equal to 2. Okay. What is the definition of continuous? A function fx is said to be continuous at a point x tends equal to a of its domain if limit x tends to a fx equals to fa, or limit f x tends to a less fx equal to limit x tends to a more fx equals to fx. Means left hand limit equals to right hand limit equals to fx. Okay students. And student, by the help of graph, we can also check the function is continuous or not. Okay, so you have to note this: a function is continuous in its domain if its graph is a curve without breaks or jump through its domain in the immediate neighborhood of the point. You can see here, students, this graph of fx equal to 2x minus 1. So when the value little bit less than 2, the value approximate 3, and when the value of x little bit more than 2, then also the value of function is 3. And you can check the graph, there is no break, no jump. It means function is continuous at x equal to 2. Let us check more graph, students. You can check in this graph y equals to fx. So you can check in the graph, there is no break, no jump, so no hole, so it is continuous. Now let us take one more graph, y equals to fx. At x equal to a, there is a hole, student, means it is not defined at x equal to a, but its left hand side is continuous, right hand side continuous, but it is not defined at x equal to a. It means it is not continuous. Here you can see, student, third graph at x equal to a, it is not defined, and this is the graph. Now you can see there is break, student. It means it is also not continuous. Okay, students. So you have to remember a function is continuous when left hand limit equals to right hand limit equals to fx at the point, or you can say limit x tends to a less fx equal to limit x tends to a more fx equals to fx. Okay, students. Okay then, students, have a nice day.